Hello students, question number 4, exercise 5.2, data handling. This question, given the adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. Here one pie chart given. In pie chart all the angles given, not marks of student given. In mathematics 90-degree angle, social science 65-degree, science 80-degree, Hindi 70, for English 55-degree. We know that all the sum of angle is always equal to 360. First we convert the angles to marks, then we give the answer of these three subparts. Students, in this always remember this is not a marks of maths, it's a central angle given. Mathematics central angle 90-degree, social science 65, science 80-degree and Hindi 70. Don't make this silly mistake, don't count as a marks. For this, first we write the subject, means we complete the table. Subject, then central angle, and we need marks obtained by a student. First mathematics given, that angle is given 90-degree, central angle given 90-degree. It means in very first sum we always solve central angle. On that time we are given which marks given over total marks into 360. But here we do the reverse form, means 90 over which central angle over 360 total sum of all the angles into 540, that is total marks. This 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 4, 5s are 20. Then marks of mathematics, that is 30, 135. Second is given social sciences. Social sciences given 65. Social sciences given, that is 65-degree. Same as 65 over 360 into 540. This 0 cancel. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, then 65 multiplied by 3 because 2 not cut to 65, diagonal not cut to each other or over. Then we get 195 over 2, 2 1 the 2 9s the 2 7, means 97.5 marks in social science. Next subject is science. In science 80-degree, 82.5 in English mark score. This is the total table completed. Now we give the answer of the subparts. In first part given, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Here, in which subject? First answer is Hindi. Subject scored 105. In second part answer, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than Hindi? Means how many more marks? In maths student score 135, In Hindi subject, score 105. We find the difference in between. In this subject more marks, in this subject less marks, means comparison of both. 135 minus 105, difference is 30 marks. Difference is 30 marks, means in mathematics subject 30 scored more as Hindi. Now the last part, third part. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than the science and Hindi. In this, first we add the social science and mathematics marks, then Hindi and science marks. Now both compare both, which marks is more, that is in social science plus maths marks, in maths 135 and social science 97.5. Add both, 135 plus 97.5. When we add both, we get 232.5 marks. In science plus Hindi marks, science subject, this is the yes, social science marks as compared to more rather than science and Hindi. This is the all about question number 4 done. In next video we will solve question number 5. Thank you.